So guys, check this out. What's going on here? What's happening here right now is amazing. So let me tell you the story, guys. These little puppies, okay, they don't belong to her. They are actually, you know, someone else's, some other dog's puppies. They've been dumped here, okay. So that mother dog just relocated all these little puppies here. Someone dumped those dogs in this container and they left them here. Her puppies are here, right? That's all of her puppies. That's her little babies. Look at that. That is so cute. Anyway, is it working?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Put them all there. So these babies aren't hers, but she's actually allowing us to, you know, let them breastfeed from her. As I was saying, these little puppies, they got dumped here. They can't even open their eyes. They haven't had enough mother's breast milk. But now she's allowing us to, you know, let them best breastfeed. They're a lot smaller than her puppies, her babies. This is amazing. She's actually cooperating with us. These were actually in a box, dumped at this location that we're at, and she brought them all here, relocated every single one of them somewhere else. Oh, so she ended up coming back here, checking up on her babies. Thank you. So she knows what's going on. She's aware of everything. She's aware that her babies are safe. So she's breastfeeding 18 puppies at the moment. She's coming back. Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. It's alright, they'll find it, they'll find it. We've got to feed her like
Heaps.
heaps now. She's amazing. Yeah, grab the phone. Record it from there. She's amazing, man. Wow. Respect. Respect.
Respect.
That's crazy. So, these are other puppies. So those little puppies were dumped here, okay? And now she has taken the responsibility. You can take the camera, yeah. So she's taken the responsibility to breastfeed them. In my eyes, this is amazing. Like, I haven't seen anything like this before. But she has actually separated her babies. She's separated her babies and these babies. And she's actually dug this place out. It's crazy. How mad is that, bro? Fucking crazy. I love it. But her eye is here. Like she's keeping an eye on her dogs too. See, cause these ones were crying, she's feeding them.
Yeah.
Now they've stopped, look.
There you go. There you go, little ones.
That's fucking, that's
Look at her
so cute.
face. She knows what's happening.
You're the boss. Mama boss. Big mama's house. Look at that. That's a boss mum right there. She is breastfeeding like 18 babies now. There's 8 here and there's 10 on the other side. Look at that bar, like she's look at that posture. She's like, yeah, I'm doing this. I'm doing this as well. That's cute. That's a full true queen there. Awesome. But like I said, she separated these babies to the other ones. I don't know why, but I trust in her. I trust her decision because she's actually working with us here. She's helping us out. She's not leaving these babies out to die. It's crazy. That's amazing. Look at that. Silence. They are all silent now. That's cute. Wow. Thank you. That's crazy. Okay. So, I'll show you guys again. Her actual puppies are here. This is her actual puppies, okay? These guys belong to that one that you just seen. Look at them. Look at each and every one of them. Their face. What's wrong? What's wrong? Look at that face. Grumpy. Yeah. So, this is her puppies. She's breastfed all of these guys. And now she's breastfeeding the other guys on the other side. Crazy. Cray, cray, cray. I've never seen anything like this before. Hello. What should we call her? We'll call her Boss Mum.